What's up today, guys? We're going to be putting in my Hellcat airbox. We're going to replace the stock airbox with the new Hellcat one where the air comes in from the headlight. I don't know if you can see that, but this is the part that attaches to the headlight. This right here is the Hellcat airbox. So we're going to take this airbox out and install a new one. I just like the way the Hellcat airbox looks. I'm sure it'll help with cooling and all that. So be patient with me. I do very minimum editing, so this video might be kind of long. But if this is something you're interested in, I'm sure you'll stick around. Okay? So we're going to learn together. I'm sure these ones have to come off this box. All of these have to come off, including this hose here. Let's see. Cool. So this came from the headlight. This came from the headlight. It has 3 clips on the back. You squeeze them and push them out the front. You have a nice hole here now that connects from the headlight. Say that you might want to put it back to stock one day. Screwdriver. Screwdriver, open airbox out. Yeah, man, I just got off work, man. The airbox was sitting outside. I got it from Speed Logic. It was like 80 bucks. Ah. Okay. All of that's off. I think the only thing holding it is this. That's entirely too big. Piece begin to squeeze it. Alright, that was slightly too big. Just like that. There's the old boxes out. Let's get this new one in. So there's two things I had to transfer. There is a rubber grommet on here. I had to put on the new airbox. It looks like this. And now I got to figure out how to get this rubber grommet off so I can put it on a new airbox to install the new one back in. Not gonna lie, this grommet's a pain in the ass. Oh, I got it. So I want to show you something. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can move it over here in the shade. I don't know if you can see this. This is the old airbox, and this is the new one. Now look how much airflow you get. Like, this is a lot smoother. These sides are a lot smoother on the intake. Now look at this one. It's just more square and down. It's just a little different, that's all. Maybe you get more airflow with this box. It's the whole move, right? That's what you want? More airflow? Okay, now this might work. If you don't have this piece on here, it doesn't sit well, and that's what I was just struggling like hell to put in. There you go.